What's up, guys? Timo with Timo Paints, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the 7 steps you need to take when you're painting exterior siding of your home. But before we do that, if you guys are interested in how I got this job for $1, click the link in the description or the top link in the comment section below. So on this job, the first step that you want to do, the first step that I took on this is you want to pressure wash. You want to pressure wash. You want to hit it with TSP if you need to. But in this case, you just needed a really good pressure washing. Second step that you want to do is cruise around and make sure that you repair like any of the damaged caulking or any of the damaged spackling or anything like that that's been over time. Sometimes it cracks out or gets dried out and stuff shrinks, house moves, materials, they swell and stuff in the winter and stuff like that. So number 3, you want to make sure you put down drop cloths obviously all the way around the house, especially if it has like asphalt or concrete. Even if it's dirt, I like to put shields down. 2 reasons: 1, to keep the dirt from blowing up, and number 2, to keep from hitting the dirt or hitting the bark. Sometimes people have decorative bark down there, and that stuff is kind of crappy. So once you get that all done, then you can kind of cruise around and see anywhere there's flaky paint. A lot of times with siding, you'll get flaky paint under the lips where it curves around from the previous paint, maybe not getting a full coverage underneath the lip, and a lot of times that's where it kind of wants to break. Or I've noticed where they overlap. If you paint right here, like where my pinky's at, it kind of bridges it out and doesn't allow it to swell, and sometimes that can create problems, and that'll end up making it swell up and crack, and then you got to dig it out and sand it and fix it, all that. And which brings me to the next one, sanding. So anytime you remove loose paint, you're always going to sand, and anytime that you sand, you're always going to want to prime. And so that brings us down to number 7. The 7 top things that you're doing is you're going to paint. So number 7 is paint. I think I started out, said it was going to be 7. It was more like 9. So, but anyways, yeah. So break it down. Basically, you want to make sure you clean it, hit it with the pressure washer. Number 2, you want to repair all of the cracked caulking, anything that's messed up. Number 3, remove all the flaky paint, anything that's damaged. Sand, and then if you sand, you prime, and then you're pretty much ready to go after that. Hope this helps you guys out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you need help generating more business for your business, more leads, hit the link in the description and the pinned comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.